Cheney Family Farms, steers and heifers, 12-1, 12-2. Cheney Family Farms, Edison, Georgia. (12-1) will be one load of steers, around 715. 12-2 be 60 head of heifers, around 660. Cattle weaned back July the 31st. Cheney Family Farms, Edison, Georgia. Doyle Weekly. Mr. Whalen's son-in-law. Mr. Whalen's one of the original members of the Safe Marketing Group. Doyle's carrying on Mr. Whalen's tradition of really good cattle, real docile, nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers and heifers sired by Angus bulls at Angus Cross commercial cows. Cheney Family Farms, Edison, Georgia. 12-1 will be the load of steers. Doyle's doing an excellent job culling and buying the bulls. Every now and then, yours truly might sell him a bull. But the cattle looking, they're a lot better than they've been in the past. 12-1 will be 715. The delivery will be somewhere around October the 21st through the 25th. Cattle should still be pretty green. He's got them on millet and on soy hulls with corn gluten, cottonseed. He's also got some Baileys he's going to put them on. The heifers, in my opinion, could be bred and used for replacements. Doyle was selling a lot of them way back there. Whalen Cheney Family Farms, Edison, Georgia. Steers and heifers. I have somewhere around 82, 85 or 6 days before getting on the truck. October the 21st. Through the 25th. Cheney Family Farms, steers and heifers, Edison, Georgia. Cheney Family Farms, Edison, Georgia, steers and heifers, 12-1 be one load. I have around 80 head, around 715. 12-2 be around 60 head. Be just a few more than that to choose from. Weight on the 12-2 will be around 660. He's just turned the cattle out, be turning them on millet pretty soon. They hand feeding the soy hull pellets, corn gluten, cottonseed, hay-free choice, and minerals-free choice. Cheney Family Farms, Edison, Georgia, steers and heifers. Really outstanding group of steers and heifers. Doyle Weekly, Mr. Whalen's son-in-law, doing an excellent job. Cattle really improved. Cattle should still be pretty green before getting on the truck October the 21st through the 25th. They'll have 82 to 85 or 6 days before getting on the truck. Cheney Family Farms, Edison, Georgia, steers and heifers. 12-1, 12-2. The cattle are real docile. Doyle's out there walking them around. They're coming back and forth to the water trough. They just turned out the last set that they weaned a couple weeks ago. CHENEY Family Farms. Should be a lot of high choice and a few priming these cattle if you feed them right. Again, nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers and heifers sired by Angus bulls out of Angus Cross commercial cow. CHENEY Family Farms, Edison, Georgia, 12-1, 12-2. CHENEY Family Farms, Edison, Georgia, 12-1, 12-2.